Alright, good morning, y'all. So, I'm just here to give a voiceover of where I went or whatever. So, this place is called Wow. I was here with my friend and my dog, Stony. Y'all see my baby. Look how cute she is. I love her so much. Just like I have her. And so, here, I didn't get my food, but I got the drink. So, I got the a walking old fashioned. They come like that thing up at your table and check this thing out. But, okay, I love somebody. I like that. And then I like the inside after I finish letting the smoke out. It also was a dispensary that had hats and everything like that. I could have bought some stuff, but wasn't thinking I'm gonna go back. So yeah, I liked it. It was a vibe. It was cool. The food was good. I had the croissant which. So yeah, I think y'all should go. It's in Houston.